Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Diego with the beautiful Karina, my lovely Prometida. And we're waiting for our welcome letter from the National Visa Center, our NOA1 letter for our K1 visa. It's dated April 18th, 2022, and our NOA2 letter is dated May 30th, 2023. And for you guys that like to count days, that's 407 days. But we don't count days, we count months. So because our NOA2 letter is dated May 30th, 2023, we should see the MVC welcome letter probably the first or second week of September of 2023. And now this video is how to prevent an unnecessary delay in the adjudication of your adjustment of status, or your Form I-485. You don't want to delay, right, in your green card processing. So come on along and watch this video, and I'll help you prevent a delay in getting your green card. So you put together a fantastic adjustment of status package, including your Form I-485 and your affidavit of support. Okay. Don't forget those two forms, which is different from the Declaration of Financial Support, which you gave to the embassy. Make sure you include with your adjustment of status paperwork your Form I-693. This is the report of immigration medical exam, okay, and vaccination records. Include this paperwork at the same time that you adjust your status with your Form I-485 and your affidavit of support, plus all the other copious amounts of evidence of your marriage, okay, getting married, etc. Now there's a checklist that immigration provides, and I've also made a video on how to put together an adjustment of status paperwork. And make sure when you adjust your status you use the current edition of the Form 485, USIS Form I-485. So if you submit your medical exam and your vaccination records with your adjustment of status paperwork, okay, this will eliminate more than likely the need for immigration to issue you a request for further evidence to obtain additional evidence and documentation, which will further delay adjudication of your green card. Okay, so please, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, include your medical exam Form I-693 and your vaccination records when you adjust your status. Okay. And immigration considers a Form I-693 valid for 2 years from the date the civil surgeon has signed it. I also recommend you get a copy of the I-693, okay, or get the doctor to sign 2 of them. Get him or her to sign 2 of them, just in case USCIS loses the first one that you submit. Okay, so you got a backup at home. That's an original, plus you have the original that you sent originally to USCIS. Just an advice. Now, if you want to travel while waiting for your green card, you're going to have to get an advance parole document. And it's not free. You have to pay for it. So you're going to fill out Form I-131. And if you want a work permit called a work authorization document, or an EAD, you're going to have to fill out Form I-765. And that's not free either. So if you want to get advanced parole to travel waiting for your green card, or for your green card, if you want to work while waiting for your green card and social security number, fill out Form I-131 and Form I-765 and apply for a work permit and advanced parole. Now, documentation that you're going to need to require to include in this adjustment of status paperwork, if you want those 2 things, is 2 colored passport photos, okay, a Form G1145, and a copy of your biographic page of your passport, Mr. or Mrs. Beneficiary, a copy of your K1 visa page from your passport, and a copy of your I-94 arrival record into the United States, and a certified copy of your marriage certificate, and a copy of your COVID vaccination card. Separately, got to get those documents together for your advanced parole document and for your work permit. Okay? An attorney, and my beautiful Prometida is Karina, and she is from Caracas, Venezuela originally, but is a legal resident of Bogota, Colombia, and she is the manager of ice cream stores. I'm a real estate agent, okay? So I don't give you legal advice. I'm not an immigration attorney. I don't work for USCIS. I don't work for the embassy. But I got 8 years of experience in successfully getting 2 K1 visas approved, plus a CR1 visa, okay? And so this is the place to be for positivity too. Now, I live in Florida, okay, in the Panhandle, east of Pensacola, north of Navarre Beach, and Navarre Beach is where we're going to get married. And I do a live stream 3 times a week for free for you guys, okay? On Wednesdays at 5 p.m. Central Time US, at 7 p.m. on Saturdays Central Time US, and 11 a.m. on Sundays Central Time US. Free information on how to don't mess up your K1 visa package or your adjustment of status paperwork, etc. See you at the live stream. Thanks for watching, and soon you will have your K1 and K2 visas in your hand, flying on an airplane to the United States of America. And we can't wait to have you here so you can start your lives together with your American citizen husband or wife. See you at the live stream.
I'll be back.